की सोई तेरी ही यादों में मैं खोई. Please help me. Shit. Forgot to put mic. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share my updated styling routine for 2024. So I have just freshly washed my hair and I used the Redken shampoo and conditioner for this. This is the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate. This is what I have been using a lot because this is the most expensive shampoo and conditioner I own right now. And I also use Dove sometimes, but I especially love the shampoo of this because it really cleanses my scalp properly. And I've recently made a video on my favorite expensive hair care products that are worth it, so you can go check that video. I have mentioned about this range in that. So currently my hair is wet, but since I was getting ready and setting up my camera and everything, it's getting dry. So let me just re-wet my hair, because if you style on damp hair where your hair is starting to get dry, like for example, can you see that little bit of frizz has started to form already? If you style on this kind of damp or slightly dry hair, then your hair might not look as defined, because you want to style on wet hair. You want to lock in the moisture before your hair starts to get frizzy. So that's why it's important to keep your hair wet. And if you're wondering what spray is this is a continuous spray bottle. See, it sprays continuously, and if you don't want it to stop, you just have to keep pushing it. And this is from Booklem. I had got it in PR and I really love this bottle. You get similar bottles on Amazon also if you're looking for any continuous spray bottle. Next, I apply a curl cream. So if you have watched my older videos, you would know I was obsessed with curl up cream and ashpa gel combination, and that worked the best for me. So you always have this combination of products whenever you want your wash day to be perfect. If you have to go out or whatever it is, you always reach out to that combo because it's not going to fail you. For me, that combo was curl up cream and ashba gel. I mean, I still love that combo. I do use it. But just to spice it up and to give you more recommendations, I've been trying different combinations and different products. And I have finally found that one combo which again works the best for me. And that is again from Ashba. And I'm using this Ashba curl cream. This is their new launch, by the way. This is the curl defining moisture cream. This is unlike their other products. If you have used Ashba, you will know their products are really heavy. They are leave-in products and they can easily weigh your hair down, so you have to be careful with the quantity. But this one did not weigh my hair down. This is pretty lightweight compared to their other products. This is what I have been using since the last few weeks. This is how it looks like. I take this much for my entire hair length. It doesn't have any smell as such. I don't think Ashba adds any fragrance. Whatever smell it has, it's all the ingredient ka smell, which you might like or you might not like, really depends. I don't have any issue with their smell, the raw ingredient smell. Only their mousse ka smell I don't like, the Ashba mousse. The mousse is really good, but it smells really weird to me because they don't add any fragrance. So I'm just distributing this curl cream. I know thoda light kam aa raha hai because I think it's about to rain, and I didn't want to use a ring light because it looks weird, I feel sometimes. And it takes a lot of time to set up to get like the perfect lighting. I just love using natural lighting. There's a trick to know if you have used enough product or not. Just take any strand, first distribute evenly, okay? Then take a strand or take your entire hair, whatever, and just twist like so. If you're getting this much product, then that's kind of perfect if you want those defined ringlets. If you're not getting any product, that means either your hair is dry or you have applied less product. So just add one of them accordingly. If you have too much, then you can remove a bit if you can. Now the curl cream is in my hair. I'm just gonna normally comb my hair to distribute the product properly. I'm not combing in a particular manner, just normal, usual, default way, just to distribute it properly and to detangle my hair. My hair is pretty detangled already. I mean, my hair gets detangled very easily whenever I wash my hair, apply conditioner and everything. I'm using my Tangle Teezer wet brush. Use a gentle brush if you're brushing your hair wet. If you use a very stiff comb, then that might result in breakage. This is how much hair I lost. I mean, I already lost a lot of hair in the shower. So that was all my whole week ka hair when I hadn't washed my hair, the already broken pieces. and I just lost few more sections. Let me know if you want me to make a video on how much hair I lose in a wash week. I would love to do that, because always believe that our hair fall is much worse than the other person, which is not true. There are much worse cases you might see. So just to make you feel okay, that okay, it's okay to lose this much hair, I would love to make a video like that. Okay, so now it's time to style my hair. Now I'll just first comb it in front. I usually do like a zigzag parting. This is what I've been doing since I got my haircut. So I just, do random zigzag parting. It's not even perfect. See, zigzag hua bhi nahi, lol. I do ekdam random, it's not a perfect zigzag, because that might look really unnatural. I just want my hair to be really flowy and voluminous, and they can fall wherever they want to, but just for styling purpose, I don't want them to force, in a specific way, like right or left part or middle part. So I just give them some room. Can you see it doesn't really look zigzag, it looks more like a triangle, but whatever. I think let's not go with zigzag. Let me just, shake my hair. Let it part wherever it wants to part. I start taking the side of my hair, okay? I'll leave my front sections. जो छोटे छोटे bangs है ना, I'll leave them for now. And जो side के है ना, I take random sections and I take my brush here and I brush them with tension like this and let it fall. When you do this, when your hair gets stretched a bit and then it falls, it works like a ribbon, and your curl ringlets, they form even better. The curl clumps look really defined that way, because as you can see, since it had fallen that way, if I just shake it a bit, can you see the curl come? Can you see the curl clump forming really nicely? Yeah, that's what happens. And you don't have to be perfect at it. I mean, if you just want a quick styling routine, just take random pieces and just keep brushing like so. Like, you don't have to shake every section, that's very time consuming. Just brush, let it fall. Brush, let it fall. Do this for most of the hair sections. I mean, I take it pretty randomly. I've not sectioned my hair, as you can see. Just whatever sections I'm getting in my hand, random sections, I'm doing it with them. I'm not perfect at it. If you want precision, of course you can go with precision if you like that kind of a look. I don't mind that kind of a look, but I just don't have patience. That's my problem. I just like a very quick routine. And I also have to go out today for my mother-in-law's birthday. तेरी अदाओं का जादू जो चल गया, दीवाना मैं हुआ, दिल मचल गया, हल्का हुआ उठा, मौसम बदल गया, रोशन हुआ समा, परवाना जल गया, जागी रे जागी मैं जागी सोई, तेरी ही यादों में मैं खोई। Okay, so the side things are done. A lot of people have this issue that, once they style their hair and everything, the back part looks really bad. The parting looks very bad. If you want the crown section to look very voluminous and to have like some kind of puff here, because here otherwise the scalp line shows and it makes you look bald. So for that, there's a solution. Just take a section like so on your crown, like so, and just comb it upwards and let it fall. You can do layers, and you can do this for multiple sections, one after the other, layer staircase form, like so. Like first section you comb, let it fall. Uske upar ka section you again comb and let it fall. This is what you can do. ये हो गया पीछे का section. Now let's work on the front section. I just first comb my hair just to separate them properly. Then I take all the chote bangs which I have in front, right? I comb them this way, upward way, and I let them fall wherever they want to. Because if I really take my time to style them, like I've tried this many times, they look so wonky and so bad. So I just, gave up. I just comb them normally like so. And just for a little volume I do that, because my bangs are growing a lot. So I just want them to lift up a bit here so that they look shorter. Now a lot of people, including me, when I get that issue, that after the hair dries, they sometimes get clumped up or they sometimes look very stiff in a specific particular position. It doesn't look as flowy and as natural as you want it to be, and it just looks very weird whenever you change your parting. So one more tip would be, once you're done styling, once you're done combing, just shake it a bit. Let your hair, do its thing. Don't force your hair to be at a particular place. Just, shake it, let it do whatever, because when your hair runs wild, when it gets the freedom to do what it wants, then your hair most probably looks really good. You can also do this after the gel step, by the way. Next, I apply gel. So I'm using the Ashwa gel. I have been loving this combination, the curl cream and the gel from Ashwa, both. This gel works really well in humidity also. It's really humid right now, so this gel is a perfect choice for that. And I just take a lot of gel. A lot of gel. I love doing that. इतना लिया है मैंने. I spread it. Okay. It looks like, oh, it looks very wrong. Okay. I glaze it over my hair. Okay. ऐसे एकदम gentle हाथों से I glaze it over my curl clumps. Okay. एकदम से जेंटली हाथ लगाना है फॉर ऑल हेयर क्लम्प्स. आगे का लगा देती हूँ. यू कैन यूज़ दिस प्रेइंग हैंड मोशन, बट आई एम नॉट प्रेसिंग इट टू हार्ड बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट माई हेयर टू बी वेरी क्या बोलते हैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफाइंड दिखते हैं ना. आई जस्ट लाइक अ लिटिल बिट मोर वॉल्यूम इन माई हेयर. आई डोंट वांट दैट एकदम से चिपकू लुक. से ऊपर से आई ग्लेज. इट्स ओके इफ यू मिस अ फ्यू सेक्शंस. जस्ट do your best to apply all over your hair. Notice that I am not raking it through, I'm not combing it through. मैं ऐसे playfully इनको लगा रही हूँ. I have a little bit more gel on my hand, but that's not enough. Usually that is enough. लेकिन sometimes I take a little bit more, this much. I again spread it, and this time I scrunch it. So the ends also get the gel, and when you scrunch above, right, that process also applies on your mid length, so it makes sure that your hair is evenly coated with the hair. And I also flip my hair down and again apply it here if I have missed any section. Then scrunch my hair again. A lot of people have issue that when you scrunch by doing your hair upside down, it doesn't fall naturally, doesn't fall properly. I do have that issue as well. You might be having this issue, especially if your hair is very fine and you don't have a lot of volume. That can happen. Your hair might fall in a weird place. So again, your solution is to just shake your hair, let it do its thing. Shake gently, हाँ, मतलब बहुत भी rough मत बनना, because you don't want to make it frizzy. तो एकदम से हम बालों के साथ ऐसे खेलेंगे. तेरी अदाओं का जादू जो चल गया. Okay, now जो आगे के हैं ना, not doing much to them because they are very ziddy. बहुत stubborn pieces है ये. Done. Now it's time to dry my hair. I'm just gonna diffuse my hair real quick and be right back, and then I can show you the final result. Bye bye. Hello, my hair is fully. Google got activated. So my hair is fully dried now. I have a really beautiful gel cast. I love when I get this kind of cast because I know I have had a successful wash day in that case. So don't be afraid of this cast. A lot of people avoid applying styling products because of the cast, but cast is beautiful, you guys. You need to embrace it because that's what is gonna make your curls look more defined and it's gonna last longer. So you can easily scrunch it out like so. Just keep scrunching. You can use an oil or serum for this step. You can also take your clean dry hands and just scrunch it. I think I should apply a little oil. What do you think? As an additional step, I'm applying 1 drop of oil. This is by Anomaly. This is a hair and scalp oil. बहुत कम. This oil is anyway very lightweight and it adds a really nice shine, which I love. You can also apply it on your scalp. Flip it upside down and I scrunch it. You don't have to scrunch it out completely. You can also keep it if you want your curls to last longer, or if you're going out in humidity, you can keep a little bit of cast in your hair. That's okay. To scrunch out the cast near my roots and to fluff out my roots for more volume, I take my hands like so and I gently fluff my hair. This gives a lot of volume. ये हो गया hair routine. I forgot to change my clothes. Let me quickly change my clothes and be right back. So this is the finished result. Since my bangs are overgrown, I like to keep them on the side this way. And I don't think I'll trim them very soon. I just want like a more curtain bang kind of a look. I don't want that blunt bang look again. That's what I had originally asked for, by the way, but I don't know what happened and she gave me this blunt look. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and I'm trying to be consistent for long form YouTube videos this year. So please let me know your video requests and I'll make them, because this video was also requested and I'm just trying to just make videos based on your requests instead of making whatever I want to, because those videos don't perform that well. And also I really want to reach 100k subscribers by the end of this year, so please help me reach there. And yeah, that was it for this video. I am loving today's hair. Anyway, thank you so much and I will see you in my next video.